In this video, I'll show you how to set up Python in Visual Studio Code and run your very first Python program. We'll also learn how to take user input directly from the terminal. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt and check whether Python is already installed on your computer. Run the following command: python-version. If you see a Python version, you're good to go. If Python is not installed or you get an error saying the command is not recognized, install Python first, then come back here. Now open Visual Studio Code. On the left side, click on the Extensions tab. Search for Python. You'll find the official Python extension published by Microsoft. Click Install. This extension provides features like syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, debugging, and much more, making Python development much easier. Next, search for another extension called Code Runner. Install this extension as well. It allows us to run our Python programs with a single click. Now, for this tutorial, I've already created a folder named Python. Open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Inside the folder, create a new file called hello.py. Let's write our very first Python program. Type print, parentheses, quotation mark, subscribe to this channel, quotation mark, parentheses. Now click the Run button or use Code Runner to execute the program. As you can see, our Python program runs successfully and prints the message. Now let's make the program a little more interactive by taking input from the user. To do that, we'll first change one setting in VS Code. Open Settings. Search for Run in Terminal. You'll see an option for Code Runner, Run in Terminal. Enable this option by checking the box. This allows our program to receive user input from the terminal instead of the output window. Now let's update our code. Create a variable and use the input function like this. String equals input, enter something interesting. Print string. Here, the input function waits for the user to type something, stores it in the variable, and then prints it back to the screen. Now run the program again. This time, the terminal asks us to enter some text. I'll type something interesting and press enter. As you can see, the program immediately prints the same text back to us. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Python in Visual Studio Code, written your first Python program, and learned how to accept user input from the terminal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.